CDC lowering its age recommendation for people who should get the pneumonia vaccine from age 65 to 50. Good evening. Glad you're with us for WVLT News at 5:30. I'm Casey Wheelis.
I'm Ted Hall. Glad you're here, folks. This as there is a surge in these respiratory illnesses, all ages, all across the country. And of course, it is happening here in East Tennessee. Our Kristen Allen spoke to the experts about what we are seeing now and what we need to know.
Pharmacist Jim McBride at Clinton Drug Store in Anderson County is filling more and more prescriptions for people diagnosed with respiratory illnesses.
Pneumonia is one of those, COVID's one of those, flu's one of those.
But this year, McBride and the pharmacy is vaccinating younger people for pneumonia as the CDC lowers the age recommendation for people who should get the vaccine from 65 to 50.
Pneumonia is caused by pneumococcal bacteria, but pneumococcal bacteria can also cause sinus infections, ear infections. So while you're getting a pneumonia vaccine and you think about lungs and respiratory, it could also help ward off other illnesses as well.
Can be as serious as something that requires hospitalization or pretty mild and might go unnoticed.
Dr. William Logan Dedman with Summit Medical Group works at Fountain City Family Physicians.
I mean, just this week, we've seen a few cases of pneumonia in our clinic. So it's definitely in the community. And then we've seen flu early this year as well.
Dr. Dedman says most viral illnesses improve on their own, but pneumonia has to be treated with antibiotics. You could actually have it for weeks without knowing. That's why experts are recommending people eligible to get vaccinated.
Vaccines don't always prevent the disease, but they do make symptoms less severe and they prevent hospitalizations. And I think that's our biggest metric.
If you're not sure what vaccines you have or haven't had, visit your primary care doctor or pharmacy.
We also have access to the state's database of vaccines. So if you come in and you're not sure what you need or what you've had, that is something we have access to. Plus, vaccines that we give are put on that database. So most pharmacies are the best place to get those.
Kristen Allen, WVLT News.
They're saying older folks should get the vaccine, but they're also saying kids younger than 2 should get the pneumonia vaccine. Older adults, young kids are the most at risk for these illnesses.